Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right, and we have negative s dy. Later that we divide both sides by y, lny, and s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to lny. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to dy over y. This one we change by u. Dy over y we change by du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. Now, about u, that is about lny. So, this one we change by this one. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equal to number 1, y equals to number 1. So I will put number 1 cone here and number 1 cone here, and we see that this one you got ln number 1 we have 0. This one we know that this should be about 0. So this one we know when y approach to number 0, this one you got positive. So in this situation we cannot find about c in here. So there is no solution for c, because this one will go to positive infinity. Because ln number 0 you got negative infinity, so c cannot find, and that means we need to keep this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.